everybody, Keith King again from SRN Systems. I'm here today to share with you another new product that we have recently launched. This particular barrier system is intended to be used on highways. Just like our crime scene barriers and our multi-use barriers, this highway barrier is manufactured right here in our facility in Bradenton, Florida. And we do all of our own manufacturing. We do our own steel manufacturing as well as the sewing. All is done right here in-house. Now we are going to share a video of this system in use on a highway, but today I wanted to go through just the different attributes of this particular system that you're looking at. But always remember, as we go here, we are barrier by design. We can create these barriers according to your needs. So if there's something that there's a special need that you have for your barrier system, we can incorporate it into ours very easily. So first of all, what you're looking at is 20 feet of coverage. So this section here is 10 feet, and this section here is 10 feet, and it's it's about 7 feet and an inch, just over 7 feet and an inch tall. And this whole system weighs, the whole 20 feet of coverage weighs 50 pounds, just over 50 pounds. So we'll talk a little bit more about packaging and how it rolls up into a very tiny space a little bit later, but for right now, that's the coverage of this system is 20 feet. Also, before I go on, I just want to, just like all of our other barrier systems, you can add on to this system indefinitely. I'm going to talk a little bit about the turret system as I have on other products of ours. This is just like the other products in that you can connect to it indefinitely. So the particular attributes of this system for the highway, I want to start with wind being the biggest issue out on the highway. You have trucks going by, and as you're trying to protect an accident from onlookers, you have a lot of wind out in highway areas, in trucks and other things. So we have designed 6 wind slit holes in the top barrier, 12 wind slit holes on the bottom barrier. And just like our crime scene barriers, we make a top and a bottom. The reason for that is to allow wind to pass through and so that the whole system wouldn't act like a kite and fly off. So wind is able to go through not only through the wind slits, but also through the middle of the system. The other thing is just we intentionally leave approximately a foot above the ground open, and that also allows wind to go through. So the system is really designed for wind and to obviously protect the view from the other side to stop onlookers. What you also will notice is that there are bungee cord attachments that attach the barriers to the system so that when there is wind, the wind couldn't take this too far up. It can only go so far and allows the wind to pass through. There are bungees on each of the ends of all the barrier system, and then for the top barrier, there's a bungee in the middle. The next thing that I'd like to talk a little bit about is how these barriers are attached to the tripod stanchions. And just like our crime scene barriers, you'll notice that there are magnets that are sewn into the barriers, and those magnets allow for wind. If wind happens, allows them to forgive, and then they reattach. And that clicking that you're hearing is the magnets reattaching to the steel poles. The tripods themselves are made of steel, and they are powder coated black. And the turrets allow for 360-degree angles. I have this system set up in an L simply because I wanted to show you the angularity being indefinite, but you can set this system up however you want. You could move this whole section over. You can make this one flat wall if you wanted, whatever the need is that you have to protect, this system can arrange itself around it. So the next thing that I was going to talk about was how this system rolls up into a bag with wheels on it, and is very easy to maneuver around. It is 50 pounds. However, once it gets in the bag, once it rolls all up, and we'll show this to you another time, it has wheels on it, you're able to roll it from one spot to another. Okay, everybody, well, to learn more about this, please see our website, www.barrierbydesign.com. You'll see our phone number on there, and I will answer the phone. Just give us a call, and we will either share this system with you, or we can design one for your particular needs. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day.